Welcome everyone to my channel, that is Fast and Easy Maths, which is dedicated to give you tips and tricks related to mathematics. So students, today I'm going to show you faster calculation tricks which are going to be helpful in almost all these entrances like CAT, SAT, ACT, GMAT, UPSC, all of that. Okay, so these are few tricks which a lot of students do not know, or it doesn't it doesn't strike you. Okay, so let's quickly start and see how do we do this. Okay, so here all of them are mixed fractions. Okay, all the numbers have mixed fraction. So we have 9991 upon 5 plus 9991 upon 2 upon 5 plus 9993 upon 5 plus 9994 upon 5. So in that particular case, you cannot even think of going to your normal method of converting everything into improper form and then doing the addition, and then final answer will be a improper fraction, and then you will convert it into a mixed form. No, that's really not going to be easy, and it's going to be very time consuming. So in such a case, what you do is we just multiply 999 how many times? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it is getting repeated how many times? 4 times. So we are going to multiply by 4. Okay, and then we are just simply going to add 1 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 5 plus 4 upon 5. So now understand, this is 1 plus 2, which is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. So 10 upon 5. So your final answer is going to get just multiplied by 2. Okay, now understand, here also you don't need to multiply 999 by 4. We can just write 999 as nothing but 1000 minus 1 into 4 into 2. Okay, so your final answer will now be, one second, this will be plus, this is a fraction, right? So this will be plus. Okay, so 4000 minus 4, 4000 minus 4 is going to get you 3996 plus 2. Your final answer will be 3998. So you saw how easy this entire calculation became. This looked only so scary, but trust me, it was the most easiest one you could have thought of, right? So if you like the way I'm explaining, then please go ahead and hit the like button, because that gives me tremendous amount of encouragement in doing these kind of videos. Also, it tells the YouTube algorithm that these videos are helpful for anyone who is looking for tips and tricks related to mathematics. So in a way, you're helping a lot of people otherwise on the internet as well. Okay, so now very quickly, this is 51 how many times? 7 times. So we are going, no, this is getting 6 times, 51 into 6 and 1. So all of these have denominator which is 7. So let's quickly add the numerator directly. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 6 is 21. Okay, so now 51 you can directly multiply. So this is 306 and you are going to add 3 to it. So your final answer is going to be 309. Right? Students, don't forget, at the end of this video, I'm going to put up a DIY question. Whose answer you can let me know in the comment section. But while solving the DIY question, you have to use the trick which I have shown in the video. Okay, it's one way of making sure that the trick registers into your mind and you can remember it when needed. Okay, so now here we have 97 getting repeated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 97 is getting repeated 5 times, so we'll go multiply by 5. Since all the denominator have 11, we're just going to add the numerators. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 11, 11 plus, okay, I think this was wrong. 3 plus 6, 6 plus 5 is 11 and 11 plus 10 is 21. So yeah, in this case, since it's not cancelling, what you do is basically multiply 97 by 5. Now here again you can directly multiply, or you can do 100 minus 3 multiplied by 5. Okay, and then you are adding 22 and 1 upon 11. Actually this is 21 upon 11, my bad. So your answer is 500 minus 3 is going to be 497 plus, since this is an improper fraction, we are going to do how much? we are going to, this is 1 and this will be 10 upon 11. So your final answer. Now this you can directly add the integer part. So your answer is 498 10 upon 11. Okay. So in case it is not getting completely cancelled like it was getting cancelled in the previous two examples, you are going to use the normal method of addition. Do not panic when you have something like this. You would want to do this and take an LCM and all that. Don't do that. You just add the integer part and you are sorted. Okay. So now coming to your DIY. So your DIY is let me pick up 31 1 upon 3 plus 31 1 upon 2 upon 3 plus 31 1 upon 3 again. Do let me know your answers. Oh no, actually let's, this 13, let's do 1 upon 8, 2 upon 8, and so this is 5 upon 8. Yeah, this is easier. Okay, so do let me know your answers in the comment section. Bye, see ya.